Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Ducati Monster 696. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 9,597 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need DOT compliant turn signals. This bike will also need a muffler that is decibel compliant, as well as passenger footrests. Additionally, the underglow does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The clear coat was peeling on the fuel tank. There's a melted spot on the inner headlight. And the clear coat was peeling and there's a crack in the rear pylon cover. This bike has one key and comes equipped with ABS. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, an SC Project exhaust, headlight trim, an LED headlight, carbon fiber bodywork panels, frame sliders, grips, aftermarket turn signals, an underglow lighting kit, bar end mirrors, handguards, front axle sliders, and a rear fender illuminator kit. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.